Unlearn the patterns, honor the values. Could your messy house be more than laziness? Have you ever looked around your house and thought, why can't I just clean this? The dishes pile up, the laundry waits, the clutter grows, and then the worst part begins. You start blaming yourself. I'm lazy. I should be more disciplined. What's wrong with me? But what if the problem isn't laziness at all? For many adults, the struggle with chores is connected to family patterns we learned growing up. For example, if cleaning in your childhood home was connected to criticism, your brain may have linked chores with shame. Maybe you heard things like, "Why is this still dirty? You never do anything right. You're so messy." When criticism is constant, the nervous system learns something important. Cleaning astras stress. So as an adult, even when no one is criticizing you, your brain still remembers the emotional pressure. And instead of feeling motivated, you feel overwhelmed or avoidant. For others, chores were tied to too much responsibility too early. Maybe you had to grow up fast. Maybe you had to help manage the house or take care of others before you were ready. Cleaning didn't feel like a normal task. It felt like a heavy role you were forced to carry. So now, when you see chores waiting, your nervous system may react with resistance. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain remembers the emotional weight behind those tasks. This is why healing is not just about pushing yourself harder. Sometimes it starts with understanding the invisible patterns we inherited, because awareness helps us create a new relationship with our space. One based on care, not pressure. Because true healing begins when we start noticing what we were taught without realizing it. Throw away expectations about your house and enjoy your life. Are you willing to unlearn? We love to create more content for you. Comment and subscribe, and let's grow this community. Unlearn and honor.